Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this baby blue mint kind of inner corner highlight. I posted this photo on, well, I posted a photo on Instagram a couple of weeks back and so many of you wanted a tutorial, and it's actually really simple. I basically just, that day I literally did my makeup for the day and then I was like, I really want to take a photo, I want to do something a little bit different, and then I just like whacked on the mint like colour in the inner corner literally like 6 hours after I did my makeup. So it's basically just like, do your standard go-to makeup look that you think works for you, and then just pop this blue bit in the middle. I've shown you like step by step the whole process and like my go-to makeup to start with, and then the mint bit and then the mint part. But yeah, so just like have a play around and kind of like customize it to suit you. But yeah, we'll get straight in and I hope you enjoy this video. So starting off priming my eyelids, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Latte 331 concealer. Nothing has really changed the way I do and prime my eyelids. I just kind of like to use a concealer with a sponge, blend it out and pop some powder on. I have tried the whole cream thing where you let it stay wet and then you try and apply eyeshadow on top, but it just doesn't work for me. I wish it did, because I do think you have like a creamier kind of outlook on the eyeshadows rather than them looking dry. But here we are, and this is just how I do now. So then dipping into my Natural Nudes palette from Too Faced on my Morphe M504 brush, which is my favorite brush, like the holy grail of brushes when it comes to my eyeshadow, especially like the base color to go into the crease. It's just like magic. It does all the work for you. Then I'm taking the shade Maple and I'm applying this on the outer corner of my eye just to darken it up ever so slightly. Like I said, I'm doing like my go-to makeup look, so it's not going to be anything too crazy until we get onto the blue. Then taking my Charlotte Tilbury felt tip liner. This is actually like my go-to liner at the moment. There are so many felt tip liners, but I find this one super black. But look at that, like you literally couldn't get any darker than that, and it dries quite quickly, which I do enjoy because no one likes a sloppy liner. Then I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury, this is not sponsored for Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm taking the Pillow Talk mascara, which is actually gorgeous. The wand is like my perfect mascara wand. I love having like separated lashes and them looking super long. This formula really does build up on your lashes quite slowly, which I like. The only thing I will say is it can be quite sticky for a little while, because I sneezed a few minutes later and yeah, I got it all over my under eye, so just be careful of that. Then for my inner corner highlight, I'm taking two products from Huda Beauty. The first one is the Matte and Metal eyeshadow in the shade Minted and De Niro, I want to say. Yep. So I just take the matte shade and I pop it on the back of my hand, grab a little brush and apply it to the inner corner of the eye. And then taking my Minted pastel colour palette, I'm just going to take a couple of the matte pastel shades and pop this on top just to brighten it up and just make it look super poppy. Then I'm taking De Niro, which is the shimmer shade of the metallic kind of shadows, and I'm just again putting on the back of my hand using a brush to pat this on. I wanted the glitter to be like dispersed and it be really fine on my eyelid rather than having like a wash of colour, and I just think it looks really beautiful and pretty on the eye, and then when the light catches your eye it just looks really girly and cute. Then onto my base makeup, nothing ever changes. I'm still using Luminous Silk by Armani in the shade 6 and 7.5. I want to say I've been mixing because I'm in between like winter and summer, or summer and winter. And then I'm using my NARS concealer underneath my eyes, which I'm using the shade Ginger, and also Custard I've been mixing. Using my Real Technique sponge as always. Then the new product that I want to talk about is something that I've been obsessing with over the last couple of months, and this is the Urban Decay Bronzed bronzer. It's beautiful. Think of Hoola by Benefit, but just a little bit warmer, almost like MAC Give Me Sun, but just a bit more cooler. So like it's in between Hoola and Give Me Sun, which is just like the perfect combo. I am on urbandecay.co.uk right now, and they have a huge discount going on at the moment for Black Friday. You can get this beach bronzer for £16 for 45 people, which is a massive discount, a good big 30% off. And I also use the Stay Naked Threesome palette. This has also got a huge discount. Again, the 30% off is site-wide, and then they've got 40% off on, I think, the palette and Lash Freak mascara. So definitely a website to check out for Black Friday because these deals are amazing. For lip liner, I'm just taking my Morphe Foolish liner, which is like a pinky shade. And I'm going to overline my lips and shade them in on the outer corners. Then for my liquid lipstick, I'm just taking the Anastasia Sand liquid lipstick, which is very, very pale. I'm just going to pop this on in the centre and then use my finger to blend this all in. And that is literally it for my lip combo. It just kind of looks really pretty with the blue. And I'm going to use my Urban Decay eyebrow pen to kind of fill in and show off my beauty spots a little bit more. And voila, that is it for this look. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you did enjoy. I hope you're all staying safe, as I know in the UK we are now going back into lockdown number 2. I am going to be trying to like vlog more just because yeah, I just kind of think it's something for me to do, and it might be a little bit boring in my vlogs, but it's quite nice just to kind of watch something and kind of go through something with everyone else. So yeah, stay tuned for those. Anyway guys, please stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you very soon.